Hi, this is Prashant. Today, the topic is wide area network. In short form, it also called as WAN. Introduction. A wide area network or WAN spans a large geographical area, often a country or continent. WAN, wide area networks, contains two or more LANs and other networks so that computers at one location can communicate to the computers at far away some other location. It contains a collection of machines intended for running user, that is applications, program. We call these machines are hosts. The hosts are connected by communication subnet or just subnet for short. The hosts are owned by customers, for example, people's personal computers, where the communication subset is typically owned and operated by a telephone company or internet service provider. The job of subnet is to carry message from host to host, just as telephone system carries words from speaker to listener. It must wide area network. In most wide area networks, the subnet most consist of two distinct components: transmission lines and switching elements. Transmission lines move bits between machines. They can be made of copper wire, optical fiber, or even radio links. Switching elements are specialized computers that connect three or more transmission lines when data arrives on an incoming line. The switching elements must choose an outgoing line on which to forward them. Nowadays, router is most commonly used as switching element. This is the relation between hosts and LANs and the subnet. In the middle, the routers, the combination of all routers are connecting is called subnet, and in the below it is giving the host and LANs, and above is the host. The routers are supplying, LANs are transferring the data to the routers, and it gathering by the subnets, and it's transfers to the host. Subnet means the collection of routers and communication lines that move packet from source host to the destination host. In this model shown in figure, each host is frequently connected to a LAN or which a router is presented, although in some cases our host can be connected directly to a router. The collection of communication lines and routers from the subnet. Routers are but not from the host. Is the streaming packets from sender to receiver. Streaming packets, that means in middle the streaming packets are ABCD routers, and the combination of these all routers is subnet, and the right side is receiving host and the left side is sending host. In sending host, the process is sending, and packets are switching, and router C makes a choice for forward packets to E and not D, and receiving host can receive the process. Objectives: to build a uniform multi-service network for data, voice, and video consolidations, to reduce recurring network operation costs such as bandwidth, to reduce management costs and focus on core capacitance. Competences. Performance can be improved by optimization of WAN. Scope: integrated services in digital networks and network management and multimedia communication, wireless WANs, and developers. Limitations. Main limitations are: WAN is difficult for business as cloud computing and other emerging technologies converge upon the network. Cost effectiveness is major problem when it comes to WAN upgrades, in large part because the network format is not built for such large amount of traffic. harder to manage since the solution typically involves multiple vendors and reliability of a solution goes down. This is the overall WAN networks. That means wide area network. Thank you.